This is the ringneck cockatoo. They are known for their playful antics and affection towards their owners. With a lifespan of up to 40 years, yes, peekaboo, you can expect never-ending attention. They absolutely love giving kisses. Never-ending kisses. Yes, tickle tickle. They can play tickle tickle all day long. Yes, all day long. Peekaboo. That's a fun game. Let's play that all day. These little guys will play all three games at the same time, just randomly shouting stuff out. Who can get tired of such cute little creatures? These little bundles of joy can be found on the YouTube channel Chatterbox Parrots. Their owner is a wonderful woman who takes care of a flock of these kissing monsters. She has countless videos of them peekabooing and tickling and all of their funny antics around the house. She has the joy of having them all day long, keeping her company with everything she does. Here they are helping cook in the kitchen.
Gonna help you make some treats? Look, we got some sweet potato. Yeah. You gonna try it? Try the sweet potato. You gotta make your Christmas treats.
Dear Lord.
Here, you wanna try it? Who wants to try it? Cook smashed potato? Get out of that bowl. No, we're not ready for that one yet. Yeah.
Okay, let's watch her try to clean the floor.
I can clean the floor. Yes. No. Let me clean the floor. It's not funny. Don't you laugh.
Don't you laugh. And of course you can't hide behind closed doors. Imagine trying to do laundry with these little creatures.
Some things never change. Let me go do laundry. What? I'm doing laundry.
What are you doing? Okay, everybody in the laundry room.
Uh-oh. Look at stop. I'm not even done because y'all are stopping me from getting my chores done.
Let's all get on this one shoulder. I don't know how she does it. I'm losing my mind making this video. And there is no escape. Even when you go to the bathroom.
I love you. I love you. What, baby? I love you.
A few minutes of these little creatures for the uninitiated can be pretty intense.
Peekaboo.
But it was while watching this channel that it dawned on me that while ringneck cockatoos can live up to 40 years, other species of cockatoos can live up to 80 and even 90 years.
Peekaboo.
And when they're with you day in and day out, every day, there's going to be times where you just may not want to play. And even some of the best bird owners can get a little flustered. Like Dan with Mr. Max.
All right, I think we've heard hi. Just a few billion times today.
Sadly, some people teach these birds swear words and dirty sayings, and there's absolutely nothing funny about that. We're not talking about that here. There can be other unfortunate things your bird does pick up on. Like, what if someone in your family has a uncontrollable laugh, and your bird starts doing this all day?
Yeah.
There's no escaping the laughter. I have no idea what I would do if my bird started doing what's coming up next. Brace yourselves. Wow, there's nothing funny about that. Well, nothing funny if you're the owner, but we can laugh about it.
What's the matter?
If you have other pets, your cockatoo's probably going to outlive them, but even they are going to need a lot of patience. This poor German Shepherd, he looks defeated. That little dog just wants out of there. I do think this bird is just mocking the cats. Now, if you happen to live in a house with an incessant talker, you might be lucky enough to have your bird act like this all day. And those who remember what landlines were like wouldn't be surprised to find their cockatoo doing this.
Hi there. How you doing? That's how you look like. Right. Okay. Okay. All right.
And with the advent of new technology, you might find yourself arguing for decades with your bird over the thermostat or turning the lights on and off.
Alexa, all lights off. Okay. I like good night. I love you, bye-bye.
These birds, of course, are very loving, and they'll want to be part of your everyday life. So don't be surprised if they pick up on a really annoying sound and repeat it over and over to get your attention. And to take a look at this, we're going to go back to Mr. Max and the ever-patient Dan. I just love watching Mr. Max.
No! 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 Time for bed. You're going to bed. Let's go. You, in the feathers. In the bed. You're grounded.
So if you're ready for a 40-year game of peekaboo, try getting a ringneck cockatoo. If you're already a subscriber, I'm very sorry for the long delay, and thank you very much for hanging in there. I'm back at it, so there'll be plenty more funny videos and some funny bird videos coming down the pipe soon. I hope you got a good laugh out of this, and it's made your day a little bit better. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. All the best.
What's everybody doing?